Welcome to Tech Insights. Today, we're journeying into the fascinating realm of extended reality, or XR. XR is an umbrella term that encompasses virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. VR immerses users in a fully digital environment, AR overlays digital information onto our real-world surroundings, and MR allows digital and physical objects to coexist and interact. And in the world of entertainment, XR is elevating our experiences to unprecedented levels. From gaming to movies, XR is providing immersive experiences that were unimaginable a few years ago. XR is an umbrella term that encompasses virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, and mixed reality, MR. Each of these technologies brings a unique flavor to our digital experiences. VR immerses users in a fully digital environment, transporting them to different worlds and realities. AR, on the other hand, overlays digital information onto our real-world surroundings, enhancing our interaction with reality. MR takes it a step further by allowing digital and physical objects to coexist and interact. Imagine your virtual pet sitting on your real-life couch. Interesting, isn't it? But XR isn't just about cool tech, it's a transformative force across numerous industries. In education, XR is being used to create immersive, interactive learning environments, making the learning process more engaging and effective. Imagine learning about ancient civilizations by virtually walking through them, or understanding complex scientific concepts through interactive simulations. The future of XR looks promising with advancements in AI, 5G, and computing power propelling the field forward. However, key challenges such as creating realistic human-machine interactions, ensuring user privacy and safety, and enhancing accessibility must be addressed to realize the full potential of XR. Welcome to Tech Insights. Today, we're journeying into the fascinating realm of extended reality, or XR. This revolutionary technology is blurring the lines between our physical world and the digital one. But what does the future hold for XR? The horizon looks promising. As advancements in AI, 5G, and computing power continue to evolve, we're set to see even more innovative applications of XR.